Hey everybody, welcome back. It is day 13, lucky day 13, Friday the 13th for our advent calendar. And again, this is from Lozziecreates. Everything's down below if you want to follow her, which you should go do because she's pretty awesome. Today's clue says, I told you about this item before, but now you get some of your own. I have no idea what this is. She tells me about a lot of items, but let's get in here and take a look. Okay. It's the Disney 100s that she was telling me about. Ooh. These are diamond art things. I love diamond arts. And what are they? They're mysteries? I'm excited. I kind of wanted to get these. I'm so glad. I'm so glad you sent these. Ooh, I should do these on stream for sure. So we'll open them and then do a couple. I think, is it just one in here? Three stickers. I'm excited. Okay guys, so make sure you're definitely following me on Twitch because I am going to do these for one of my craft streams for sure. I know it's something tedious, but it'll be fun. We'll chat and do some diamond art. Tomorrow is day 14, so make sure you are subscribed if you want to be notified when the next advent calendar package gets opened. And everybody have happy holidays, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye.